What type of songs do you sing? Clint Eastwood songs. Clint
No,
Eastwood.
maybe we can sing Like a Virgin. Material Girl. Yeah, you're really so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Are you pure American or you have this like a European or you have a mix? Irish?
I was born in the United States.
But you have a mix, your father is Irish or you know,
English.
English, so you're English and American. You have a good mix.
Me too, I'm half boy, half girl.
Oh, mix.
In
Yeah.
Tagalog, I'm bakla.
Ako din, I have a mix. I'm a half pitbull, half shih tzu. So I'm a bullshit. Let's sing, ha? Okay. Let's sing the three of us. Let's have a duet, the three of us. Yeah. Ba't ka lang inialam? Yeah, the duet, three duet. Duet. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, what song would you like to sing? You can join us so we could help you out.
The first one will be a comedy.
It's okay. We like it better.
Mas maganda yan. Mas maganda to.
Any song.
Nakakaan ko na eh. Okay na, babayaran.
Dami naman
You want songs
dami
of
naman actor ito, dami naman magwatuhan.
Tagalog songs?
Tagalog songs, nandito ako.
Doble.
What Tagalog do you know? Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Kalaman.
Text tayo. Text tayo.
Jowa. Mas baka tapos ng Tagalog?
Hindi.
Ah, hindi naman. You don't sing Tagalog, no? Niloloko mo ba kami? Tuwa-tuwa.
Yung asawa.
Text?
Ala.
That's not a song. It's a text. Naku, gwapo ito, pero medyo bobo. Text is a text. It's not a song. Let's sing,
He has it on his...
maybe we could sing, Kuya, can we sing Frank Sinatra song like in New York, New York?
Yes, yes.
By Frank Sinatra. Maybe everybody knows that. Okay, ha? Yan, ha? Nag-donate ka na ba?
I'll start the song, ha?
Yeah. Start spreading your legs. Just kidding.
I'm eating your eggs.
Oh my God! My God, my ring, it fell. Oh. It fell again. Oh my God, it fell. The ring fell. My ring fell. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Too close for comfort.
Too close for comfort. What do you mean? Okay.
Too close for comfort room.
You know, you cannot speak English very well, now you have to forgive us, ha? Because you know, we did not finish high school.
High school, we do not like paintings, we like
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's Bruce with the song, New York.
New York, New York. Come on, guys, you want to see all the hands in the air? Put your hands in the air, come on! Hey!
Hey!
Start spreading the news. Living today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. This vagabond tree. Our longing right through the very heart of it. New York, New York.
Let's dance in our sound system.
I wanna wake up in the city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heat, top of the heat. This little town are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in the whole New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. To you, New York, New York. Put your hands in the air, friends.
Wow, and woo, put your hands together.
New York. you so much for being such a good sport,
Thank
Latis.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I hope you did not embarrass yourself. You know, everybody likes it.
Yeah.
You like it, right?
Do you want to want to sing more?
Ang lakas ng sigaw nyo. Parang ang lakas ng sigaw nila. Bakit ganun ano? Ang alam ko talaga nasa Biblia, ang tao ay hinulma sa putik, di ba?
Oo.
Bakit ganun? Ang daming gawa sa plastic.